Hey, it's Rick from the Hot Holder, and this is the Radio Shack version of the Hot Holder for audio. It replaces one of these janky third hands that kind of tips over and doesn't stand up straight, and it's got these alligator clips that can suck the heat out and scratch parts and crush wires and things like that. This does none of that. It's made of flexible silicone, and it can grip things very tightly without scratching, melting like a pan of ice, tipping over or crushing anything, and most importantly, it won't suck the heat out because it's high temperature silicone. My favorite thing by far to do with the Hot Holder is to tin wires, and that's these little hidden wire holders right here. You can just stick it in there and you can tin your wires up right there with both hands. You could even take another set of wires and solder them together if you wanted to get in there and solder these two together. The voids are engineered for pro audio connectors, XLR connectors like these, XLR connectors, quarter-inch connectors. Let's see, I got potentiometers and even a Strat switch, a Stratocaster switch hole. Those are notoriously difficult to grip while you're soldering them. It's got 3.5 millimeter plug holes, male and female. You can even use these little wire holders for holding circuit boards while you're soldering to them, or put the circuit board right on top of it because you don't have to worry about melting the bottom. It protects your bench, protects your workspace. So, like I said, it has a suction cup base. You can see if I can stick it to this flat thing, it's not moving. Not moving at all. So a suction cup base keeps that thing from moving around, unlike those third hands. The best thing about it is you can just throw it into your work box and it's ready to go. You don't have to think twice about it. This is a real game changer. Made in the USA, just a few miles from where I'm sitting right now. This is the Hot Holder from thehotholder.com. My name's Rick. Thanks for watching.